Do you know that face in Vietnamese is a mirror? Your face reflects you. Start your day with 12 morning face massage by Professor Bui Quoc Chau. Here are some great benefits. Warm up and start the body. Make the face and skin smooth and beauty. Strengthen immunity. Circulates blood and ki for whole body. Enhance positive emotion. Bring exuberance, courage, and confidence. Remember, for prevention, massage 10 to 15 times each step. For treatment, massage 15 to 30 times each step. Step 1. Warm up the eyes. Heat your hands by rubbing together, then place over the eyes gently. Eyes reflect ovaries, testicle, and breasts. It improves the vision and effects on your eyes, ovary, testicle, and breast also. Step 2. Massage the eye bones, tapping around eyes with knuckles. Find the painful points, then tap it longer, around 20 to 30 seconds, and preventing rhinitis or sinusitis. Supporting treatment for vision weakness, impotence, infertilities. Step 3. Massage facial size. This warm up and awake your body. It's good for skin and blow away the fatigue. Face corresponds to the heart, brain, and the whole body, peripherals and internally. Massage your face to brighten up your day. Step 4. Massage your mouth. This warm the abdomen and massage your internal organs. It stimulates your endocrine, digestive, and reproductive system. Mouth reflects intestine, abdomen, and even vulva. Step 5. Massage the nose. It strengthens the spine and reproductive systems. Why? Because nose reflects your penis and uterus. It also corresponds to a massage along your back and legs. Step 6. Massage forehead. Massage forehead remove wrinkles, good for spine and internal organs. It strengthens brain circulation and memory. Step 7. Massage ears. It warms the ears, nose, and throat. Reduce cold, sinus, ENT inflammation. Rub the ears front and behind till it's hot. It seems we do massage for back, spine, stomach, and kidney. Step 8. Massage neck. Embrace your neck with your thumb and index finger. Do a neck massage from top to bottom with both hands. Removes the wrinkle formation around the neck, clear the throat, mucus, and prevent water. Step 9. Massage nape. Massage gently your neck with both hands with horizontal movements. Relax cervical parts, prevent neck stiffness and sinusitis. Your neck is a very important bridge which connects your brain and the rest of the body. Step 10. Comb the head. Perform a scalp massage by fingertips from forehead to nape. Comb your scalp thoroughly. It nourishes the hair roots and promotes hair growth. For dandruff, alopecia, baldness, headache, insomnia, and for healthy hair, do 100 combings per day. Step 11. Tap the occiput by fingers and palms on the ear. This corresponds to a massage of auditory system, brain, kidney, and stomach. Prevents memory loss. Step 12. Strike your teeth against you, then move the tongue around the gums. Then swallow all the jade fluid. It's your own natural antibody. It's really good for your throat and stomach. Brings you yin balance, rejuvenates you, and gives you fresh breath. Everybody can do 12 morning face massage. Listen to your body. Adjust the number of massages to see your health and body constitution. You can be your own healer. Use your body. Your face is a miracle medical garden. Do gardening every day. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
I practicing and teaching Dien Chan since 2014 is the best holistic self-care method that I ever know.